We can see that there's a lot of barricading. Vehicles have a hard time to just go to where they're supposed to be going. Students have no means of transportation to come to Jantar Mantar. Most of them resort to walking. Right now, I don't know if you can see, but standing on there. We just got to know that 2 hours ago, Sonam Wangchuk ended his fast. But you still see a huge crowd, you still see the gathering, you also see the team still working hard, everything's functioning pretty normally. It's also because that there's no network right now and a lot of people don't know that he's ended his fast. What do you think would be the reaction? Do you think people would still come? Do you think people would be disheartened? Do you think that the solidarity will still be maintained?
See, firstly, nobody would be disheartened. Everybody is very glad, happy that Mr. Sonam Wangchuk, after 26 days, it's not a day or two, it's 26 days of fasting, and he has suffered a lot, he has gone through a lot, and we're very glad he has ended his fast, and that's our first reaction. Even Mr. Abhijit had said the same thing. So now going forward, when we talk about what were the conditions, we'll get to know that tomorrow when our delegation goes and meets Mr. Sonam Wangchuk. Now, saying that, we want to make it very clear that the crowd here has come here after the retaliation that we have seen on the 20th of July, and after seeing what Mr. Sonam Wangchuk had to endure when he was so inhumanly wrapped up in a white bedsheet and taken away from here. So the crowd and the people of this country have seen what they have to see. Now we don't need Mr. Sonam Wangchuk to suffer further. We are already hurt. We have already seen how brutally women were beaten, kids were beaten, elderly gentlemen and ladies were beaten. The pellet guns were used. Now that was also confirmed. Tear gases were thrown amidst the crowd which was sitting down, right? So there's very clear direction that we feel has been received from the Home Ministry that do whatever you need to do, but you need to scare the crowd. You need to make the crowd run away from where they are. But that has only backfired. From day one, the government is only doing actions that is backfiring. They haven't set any delegation to talk to, it has backfired. They took away Sonam Wangchuk, it has backfired. They used brutal force on the 20th of July, it has backfired. And what you're seeing right now is not going to stop. As you said, there's no internet. We have no communication with the outside world apart from phone. But yet, people are showing up, people are flocking up. What we are seeing here is only maybe 1/10 of the crowd. If you go all the way to Tolstoy Road and Jantar Mantar, it's completely blocked. So we are hoping the resignation to come soon, maybe this week or early next week. Even before Sir left, he said, whatever may happen, don't stop this fight until our demands are met. So we are glad Sir has stopped this unshan, and we'll continue the fight until we reach. So we are very thankful to the public and the people of this country because that was the reason for the inception of Cockroach Janata Party. It's a meme, right? It was not intended to be a political party, but what people have made it today is what is the beauty of the country, that they have associated themselves with the cause. Now the cause is education. We need better education, we need no paper leaks, we need government funding on education department. So the people are we need more jobs. So the people have taken the cause. They're not following the party, they're not following any leader, and we don't want that. We don't want any hero worship here.
Wangchuk has ended his fast. What do you guys think about that? How do you think it's going to affect the place?
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि of course there was pressure and we all know कि क्या चल रहा है अभी, है ना? तो there's of course pressure जिस वजह से उन्होंने end किया. Otherwise I'm sure कि वो नहीं कर रहे होते, है ना?
Even if it ended the fast, this protest was actually
Yeah.
yes, it was for the students about the issues. So even if he's ended his fast, it's good for him. We also wanted him to end his fast.
I think it's going to agitate more people to come and just be here and support him more. कि अब
Educated
यार
people will understand.
I mean कि अब बंदा आप ये भी आपकी मर्जी से करेगा यार, प्रोटेस्ट भी आप ही खत्म करा दोगे क्या हमारा? भूखे भी नहीं रहेंगे अब हम.
What are your thoughts on the fact that information coming, going, is being tracked, is being monitored? Most importantly, it's being squashed. What are your thoughts on that?
We were prepared.
Yeah?
We knew this Sarkar very well. We were prepared. So no, we were not thinking that much. वापस जाएंगे पता चल ही जाएगा. So यहाँ पर है तो सिर्फ प्रोटेस्ट को दिमाग में रख के for the people, for the students, else we just switch it off from our mind.
मैं आपको ये कहना चाहूँगा, अगर सरकार निकम्मी है तो उनके साथ कोई निकम्मा नहीं हो सकता ना. उस व्यक्ति की जान जुड़ी हुई है, सरकार नहीं सुन रही है, तो आपको कुछ ना कुछ करना ही होगा. आपने जब यहाँ पे 20-30 दिन 20-25 दिन अपना करके देख लिया, जब वो नहीं सुनने आए तो आपको क्या करना होगा? आपको कुछ ना कुछ आगे ही बढ़ना होगा. पर हम उनके साथ खड़े हैं. अगर उन्होंने अपना फास्ट एंड कर दिया है फिर भी हम उनके साथ थे। अगर वो अपना फास्ट नहीं एंड करते, इंसानियत के नाते मैं भी ये चाहता कि अपना फास्ट एंड करें।
I've been coming here every day since past 4 days, and I've been part of every movement, like everything over here. And it is horrible. Whatever cops are doing over here, it is horrible. Like violation of human rights, violation of humanity, and like they are worse than a demon. I mean, I have a big question. Even if suppose if their kid dies, and if what they feel and they face the same kind of thing in their family, how they would feel. Whatever they have done 2 days back to us, it is inhuman. And no one is accountable. No, even Supreme Court had this denied कि हम कुछ नहीं करेंगे. So now we have no choice.
So you see the influx of people here. 20th में जो हुआ था, do you think that people have become more conscious and they're coming in more numbers, or do you think the movement is dying?
No, movement is not dying. It is far more alive than the way it was before. I have never seen this kind of, gathering, the amount of people that are gathering over here, and the adrenaline rush that everyone have right now. It's crazy. It is just gonna go beyond. It is infinite. It is never gonna end now. We are going to gonna go after their heads. Everyone is gonna go after their heads. They are not gonna spare anyone.
Do you think this is going to lead to something? Do you think that Dharmendra Pradhan istifa देंगे कि नहीं?
I don't think so. I don't think anything is going to happen because recently everyone has dropped their statement. Mr. Nadda has dropped his statement that we are doing something, but it does not sound promising enough to anyone.
And we can see that there's a little bit of unrest right now. A lot of kids, a lot of students are holding barricades. There's been a hard time for people to commute and come to Jantar Mantar. We can see that students are getting a little handsy with government equipment. There's barricading, they're breaking barricades, they're pushing things. We can also see there are some people who are not letting them do things and keeping things civil. We're in the back entrance of Jantar Mantar, and we can see how students, how working professionals, how every person who lives in and around Delhi and who's been affected by the NEET has come here. There's music playing. There's such a charged environment right now. We can see one group playing music there, chanting, sloganeering. Another group here also chanting, sloganeering, demanding justice.
पहली चीज तो ये है, इन्होंने पंगा युवाओं के साथ लिया है. युवा किसी का नहीं सहता. शेर है यहाँ पे, शेर सारे आ रहे हैं. और जो प्रधान, कहने का प्रधान है धर्मेंद्र, जो नाम इसके नाम में धर्म है, वो रह नहीं पाया है. He has to resign. धर्मेंद्र प्रधान, you have to resign. Not that. ये क्राउड ऐसे ही नहीं है. You have to resign. यहाँ पे लोग इन्हें डंडे खाए, मार खाए. किसी की बहनों में तुम डंडा खा रहे हो, ये ऐसे खाली नहीं जाएगा. हम पीसफुल प्रोटेस्ट करने आए थे. प्रवोक आपने करा है. हम सब लोग पीसफुल प्रोटेस्ट करने आए हैं. मेरा तो कुछ है भी नहीं. मैं कभी नीट का एग्जाम दिया भी नहीं और मैं साइंस के स्टूडेंट भी नहीं हूँ. बट मैं सिर्फ अपने देश के लिए आया हूँ, अपने घर वालों से लड़के.